Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I know that I just posted a week ago, so it's kind of weird that I'm posting again. That was really quick of me, but anyways, this is a video on how I essentially manipulate the spine of my sketchbooks. I call it Sketchbook Surgery, that's the title of this video. And yeah, let's just get into it. So, pulling out the spine, I just pull it. I act like it's a binder ring almost, and I don't normally take the entire spine out when I'm just working with the covers. And yeah, the spirals or the spines of the Kenson XL Media sketchbook is pretty malleable. I don't know about any other sketchbooks, so I post that as a warning. If you guys don't trust me, or don't trust yourself, or don't trust the sketchbook, yeah, just do this with caution. I've only done this on Kenson mixed media sketchbooks, so I only know that it works on this. And here in cases where I do take out the entire spine, in order to put it back, I cuff it into the block of paper, like what could be seen right now, and I push the spine back into the holes. Also, please note that when you put the spine back into the paper, you have to pay attention to where the spine closes and opens in relation to that paper. So the closed part of that spine typically reaches the very back of the book, where the paper ends, not the cover. And yeah, when you twist it, that'll reach the back, and then the front or the open part of the spirals will end just a bit after the back cover when you push it back in. So when returning the spine into the sketchbook, I just push it back simply, and yeah, it's really easy to push it. I've heard of cases where people would just tie the ends or the opening to the ending of the spine in order to let the covers stay together, or to not let all the paper fall out. And yeah, I think that's a good idea. I just personally don't do it because I like removing my covers and my paper quite often. Yeah, I'm not sure, but hopefully this video helped you guys, and if it did, kind of, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe button maybe, and also that notification bell. I think I don't know if I'm gonna post this regularly, but I'm considering making more mini tutorials like this. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And also, if you guys have any more questions on how I deal with the spirals or anything else sketchbook related, please feel free to ask me in the comments as well. That was a really dramatic gasp. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if you guys run into any problems. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye.